In this lecture, you will know what to worry and what not. As said in the beginning of this page speed technique 1, you don't need to chase 100 out of 100 page speed insight score. Getting a green tick or a good score from Google's page speed insights is more than enough. What really matters is the page loading time. So, try to maintain a maximum of 3.5 seconds page load time in webpagetest.org. Never go beyond that. But the benchmark timings are 1.5 to 2 seconds in Pingdom Tools and 3 seconds repeat view load time in webpagetest.org. Even after following our page speed techniques, if you can't get a good score in page speed insights, or if you can't get a benchmark page load time, then try the following things. Reduce external JavaScript and CSS files. Suppose if page speed insights recommends a lot of JavaScript and CSS files from external domains under minification or leverage browser caching, then avoid using such plugins or widgets if not necessary. Avoid pop-up widgets or plugins to display pop-ups. It not only affects your page speed, it also affects your SEO. Try to avoid using page speed unoptimized drag and drop builders. Simply try to deviate less from the ideal scenario as far as possible. The ideal scenario is using page speed optimized, minimalistic and responsive themes. Not using external assets as much as possible. Follow our page speed technique. In the next lecture, we are going to start page speed technique 2.